morning, children, and hello parents. Welcome to Standard 2 English Literature class. In our previous video, we read Chapter 2, that is Grandpa Farooq's Garden. That was the story of Grandpa Farooq's garden. It was very beautiful and Ahmed loved to spend time over there. He enjoyed working in the garden along with his grandpa. One day, Grandpa was very sad because his garden was dying. So Ahmed asked him the reason. He told him that the pests were eating his plants and hence the garden was dying. Ahmed wanted to help his grandpa. So he asked him how he can help. Grandpa told that only the ladybirds could save the garden because they can eat the pests. They are very useful bugs. So Ahmed went home and started collecting the ladybirds. In few days he collected 9 ladybirds and he kept them in a big plastic box, and in that box he kept some leaves, some twigs, some food and water for the ladybirds. When the box was full, he took that box to Grandpa Farooq and showed it to him. Grandpa became very happy because now his garden will be saved. Then Grandpa and Ahmed together opened that box of ladybirds in the garden and let the ladybirds come out. The ladybirds liked their new home very much because there were many pests on which they can feed. In that way, Grandpa Farooq and Ahmed were able to save the garden, and from that day on, Grandpa Farooq's garden grew and became very beautiful. Now children, look at this. What can you see over here? Yes, you can see a question mark over here. When do we use a question mark? When we write questions or ask question, we use a question mark at the end of the sentence. And what do you do when anyone asks you a question? Yes, we give an answer to that. Children, today we are going to do the question answers of Grandpa Farooq's garden, that is chapter 2, and you all have to do this work in your English literature notebook. Answer these questions. Question number 1. What did Grandpa Farooq and Ahmed do in the garden? Answer. Grandpa Farooq and Ahmed worked together and ate the fresh fruits from the garden. Question number 2. What did Ahmed like about Grandpa Farooq's garden? Answer. Ahmed loved the fruits, the leaves, the flowers and the trees of Grandpa's garden. Question number 3. My garden is dying. Why was Grandpa's garden dying? Answer. Grandpa's garden was dying because some pests were eating all the plants. Question number 4. What could Grandpa and Ahmed do to save the garden? Answer. Grandpa and Ahmed wanted ladybirds so that they can eat these pests and save the garden. Question number 5. You have done well. Oh my boy, you have done so well. What did Ahmed do? Answer. Ahmed had collected ladybirds that would eat all the pests. Question number 6. I will bring you a bug or two, said Ahmed. bugs were these? Answer. These bugs were ladybirds. B. How many bugs did Ahmed actually bring? Answer. Ahmed actually brought 9 ladybirds. C. What does this tell us about Ahmed? Answer. This tells us that Ahmed was a good, kind and a responsible boy. He loved his grandpa and the garden. Question number 7. Where did Ahmed find the ladybirds? How many did he find in each place? Answer. Ahmed found the ladybirds in the grass growing by the side of the road, 2 ladybirds. Around the football field, 3 ladybirds. At the park, 4 ladybirds. Question number 8. How did Ahmed take care of the ladybirds he had collected? Answer. Ahmed placed the ladybirds in a big plastic box with small leaves and twigs at the bottom. He also kept some food and water for them in the box. Question number 9. Name them. A. Ahmed's favorite place. So answer will be Grandpa Farooq's garden. So you will write down here Grandpa Farooq's garden. Now come to the next question. B. These are useful bugs that can eat pests and save the garden. What are they? Yes, the ladybirds. The answer will be ladybirds. So, today we did the question answers of chapter 2, that is Grandpa Farooq's garden. Thank you children for listening to the video so patiently. The notes of this chapter will be uploaded on the school website. Kindly go through it and write down the question answers in your English literature notebook. Thank you and take care.